In this lecture video, we will discuss muscles of the arm region. So first, we will discuss Biceps Brachii muscle. You can see this muscle is the Biceps Brachii muscle. This muscle somewhat is spindle-shaped muscle. Okay, Biceps Brachii muscle. So what is the origin? You can see the origin point is from tuber scapulae of the scapula. Insertion. At the point of insertion, Biceps Brachii is divided into two tendons. This is one tendon and this is one tendon. So this part will insert into the radial tuberosity of the radius and this part will insert at the proximal end of the ulna somewhat at this position. Blood supply by anterior circumflex artery, nerve supply by musculocutaneous branch of the brachial plexus, and the action to flex the elbow joint. Okay, suppose this is the elbow joint. So when the Biceps Brachii will contract, it will flex the elbow joint. So this is Biceps Brachii muscle. Next muscle is Triceps Brachii muscle. It is a large triangular muscle, fills up the space between scapula and olecranon process of ulna. You can see. So this large triangular muscle. Okay, actually this is the long head we'll discuss. So here you will find that large triangular muscle. The space between the this is the scapula. The space between the scapula and olecranon process of ulna is filled up by here triangular muscle. Okay, triangular muscle. That triangular muscle is called as the Triceps Brachii. So Triceps Brachii has three heads. First, long head, that is the largest one. Then lateral head. Then medial head. First, long head. Okay, long head is triangular. It is largest. Action to flex the shoulder joint, to extend the elbow joint. You can see. So this one is the long head of tricep. Okay, the origin point, caudal border of scapula, and a small part of the same border of the humerus. So you can see this is the scapula. So the caudal border, this is the caudal border. This is the cranial border of the scapula, and this is the caudal border of the scapula. Okay. So the muscle will originate from caudal border of scapula and a small part of the same border of the humerus. You can see, means same part, caudal border, a small part of the caudal border of the humerus. So this is the origin point of this muscle. Okay, this is the origin point of this muscle. Then insertion, you can see. So this is the insertion point, your olecranon process of ulna. Okay, so you can see. So this is the origin point of the muscle. Okay, and this is the insertion point of the muscle. Blood supply by deep brachial and posterior circumflex arteries. Nerve supply by branch from radial nerve. Lateral head. Okay, you can see this one. So this one is the lateral head of Triceps Brachii. Okay, so somewhat quadrilateral in shape. Okay, present on the lateral surface of arm below the long head. You can see. So this one. So this one is the lateral head of tricep, somewhat quadrilateral in shape. Okay, it is present on the, so this is the arm region. Okay, so this muscle is present on the lateral aspect of the arm region. Okay, just below the long head. This is the long head of tricep. So lateral head is present on the lateral aspect of arm region. Okay, below the long head. So this one. Okay. So this is the origin point. Okay. And this is the insertion point. Origin of the muscle, craniolateral border of upper part of the sept of the humerus. So this is the sept of the humerus, upper part. So from this area. So this part. Okay, this is the craniolateral border of the upper part of the sept of humerus and caudal margin of deltoid tuberosity. So this one is the deltoid tuberosity. This is the caudal margin. So from this it originates. Okay. So the origin point is from craniolateral border of upper part of the sept of the humerus and caudal margin of deltoid tuberosity. Insertion very simple. So this is the insertion point. Okay. Olecranon process of ulna. Okay. So blood supply similar to the long head. Nerve supply similar to the long head. Action to extend the elbow joint. It will extend. So this is the muscle will extend the elbow joint. Okay. Then medial head. Medial head is smallest muscle. You can see this is the medial head. Okay. Medial head is the smallest of Triceps brachii. So it is found on the medial aspect of the arm region. This is the medial head. Then what is the origin point? Medial surface of the sept of humerus at its upper third. Okay. So this is the medial surface. This is the sept. Okay. And the medial surface. So upper third is the origin point. Insertion again, olecranon process of ulna. Okay. So blood supply, nerve supply same as above. Action to extend the elbow joint. Then another muscle, tensor fasciae antebrachii. You can see this muscle. So this muscle is your tensor fasciae antebrachii muscle. It is a thin strip of muscle present at the posteromedial aspect of the long head of tricep. You can see this is the long head of tricep. This is the posteromedial aspect of the long head of the tricep. So here you will find this muscle, tensor fasciae antebrachii muscle, a thin strip of muscle. Origin, upper part of the caudal border of the scapula and the fascia covering the long head of tricep. You can see this one. Okay. So this is the origin point. Okay. Means upper part of the caudal border of the scapula. So this is the origin point. So this border is the caudal border of scapula. So from this upper part, the muscle will originate. From this, the muscle will originate, and from the fascia covering the long head of tricep. So here you will find the fascia. Okay. Here you will find the fascia covering the long head of tricep, and from that also the muscle will originate. Insertion, olecranon process of the ulna. Insertion is olecranon process of the ulna. Action, tenses the fascia of the forearm and extend the elbow joint. Blood supply and the nerve supply. Blood supply, subscapular artery and branches from the brachial artery. Now only you remember the names of the blood vessels and nerves. Later on in the angiology and the neurology, I will say the detailed course. Nerve supply, branches from the radial nerve. Then Anconeus muscle. Okay, you can see this one. This one is the Anconeus muscle. Anconeus muscle. Okay, a very small muscle is the Anconeus muscle. A small muscle remains covered by triceps. You can see. So this is the long head of tricep, medial head. That side we will find the lateral head. So Anconeus muscle is under the cover of your tricep muscle. A small muscle remains covered by triceps, partly covered by the, okay. This point very important. This muscle partly covers the olecranon fossa. Means just above the olecranon fossa you will find the muscle. You can see. So you can clearly see here. So this fossa is the olecranon fossa. Okay. So the muscle is over the olecranon fossa and it is partly covering the olecranon fossa. Okay. So the origin, caudal surface of distal third of the humerus. So somewhat this region. Okay. So caudal surface, so this is the caudal surface of distal third of the humerus. Okay. Insertion, olecranon process of the ulna. Okay. Action, to extend the elbow. Blood supply by posterior circumflex artery. Nerve supply, branches of radial nerve. Another muscle is your brachialis muscle. Okay. A fleshy muscle present in the musculospiral groove of the humerus. You can see. So you can see. So this is the musculospiral groove of the humerus. Okay. So that musculospiral groove is occupied by one spirally arranged fleshy muscle, that is the brachialis muscle. It has spiral fibers, means the fibers are spirally arranged. Origin point, area behind the head of the humerus. You can see. So this is the head of the humerus. So somewhat from this region the muscle will originate. Okay. Area behind head of the humerus. Okay. Area behind your head of the humerus. Insertion. Okay. You can see muscle is coming like this and spirally twisting. Okay. It is spirally twisting and coming here. Okay. So there are 2 points of insertion. Okay. So there are 2 points of insertion here. Medial aspect of the proximal end of the radius. Okay. Medial aspect of the proximal end of the radius and proximal end of the ulna. So action, to flex the elbow joint. Blood supply, branches from brachial artery. Nerve supply, branches of radial and median nerve.